Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to connect our data coding machine singular keyboard to sticker sensors on labeling machines. Firstly, in your labeling machine already installed label sensors on labeling machine head. Now we need to get one relay to connect, and this is control board for our data coding machine. As you can see, this is for power supply. For this is sensor, coding machine sensor connection, and for this connect to labeling, connect to data coding machine head. Now teach you how to connect. For sensor, often exist so many cables, but you can find out positive, negative, single output, and for relay, find this position, and sticker positive connect to this position here, and the single output connect to the other position. It's DC 24 voltage. And for one relay, it often exists always closed state. For example, for this is this position and the bottom position for always closed state. But we need to find out always open state. For this one is the top position. These two. Okay, this two is for our coding singulars. For three cables, it exists pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3. And for LAN, it represents positive, negative, singular input. So we only get pin 2 and pin 3 connect to here, to this position. Sometimes for 3 cable, it often is 2 wires, so you can connect to any one of them to this position. But if you get 3 cables with 3 wires, ignore the pin 1 cable, only get pin 2 and pin 3 cables connect to this position. Then data coding machine can get correct singular front label sensors.